children, good morning. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about first class maths. So children, in the previous class we have started our new chapter. So the multiplication. So skip counting. We used to get the skip counting. In the previous class we have completed the skip counting in twos, fives, tens. So all these we have completed. And the another topic we have started, that is the repeated addition. Today in our class we are going to learn about multiplication. So what do you mean by multiplication? So for addition, subtraction, we have the symbols. In the same way, for the multiplication also we have the symbol. So what is the symbol? The symbol is into. We used to call it as into. So here we can see children, multiplication. So this is the into is the symbol of multiplication. So this is called as into. So multiplication. What do you mean by multiplication, children? So this will explain with an example. So here we have the example, children. So now let us see with an example. So here we can see the flowers are there. Okay children, the flowers. So how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers are there. So like that, how many are there groups here? How many groups of flowers are there? So here we can see this is the one group. Okay. Now here we can see another group. The second group, and here we can see the another group. So how many groups are there, children? 3 groups are there. So here is the one group, the second group and the third group. 3 groups of flowers are there. In each group, how many flowers are there? 3 flowers are there. So in first group there are 3 flowers. In second group there are 3 flowers. In the third group here also we can see the 3 flowers. So 3 plus 3 flowers plus 3 flowers plus again 3 flowers. So 3. So 3 flowers in each group. So how many groups are there? 3 groups. In each group there are 3 flowers. So totally how many are there, children? Yes. 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So totally here 9 flowers are there. So here we have done the repeated addition. So here we have did the repeated addition. The same number we have repeated for 3 times. Because same number. In first, so here we have the 3 flowers in first group. Second group again 3 flowers. So 3 plus 3. So again the same number, same count. So here again also we have written the 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So 3 3s are 9. So here we have written the 3 times 3. So this is called as a multiplication. So what do you mean by the multiplication, children? So repeated addition of same number. Repeated addition of same number is called as multiplication. So this we can call it as a multiplication. Here we have repeated the same number. So the same number here repeated for many times. So here we have repeated 3 times. Because 3 groups of flowers are there. In each group again 3 flowers are there. So 3 into 3 times. So 3 we have written for the 3 times is equal to 9. So this is called as a multiplication. So this we can do, children, with another example. Let us see, children, with another example. So children, here we can do with another example. Let us see one more example, children, here. So in the before picture here we saw the flowers. Now here we can observe the leaves. Okay children. So here how many groups are there? First we have to count the groups. So here is the one group. So this totally we can call it as a one group. So one group, 2 groups, 3 groups and the 4 groups. Okay children. So totally 4 groups are there. And in each group how many are there? Yes, in each group here we have the 2 leaves. So for this also 2 leaves, first group. The second group here we have the 2 leaves plus 2. Again the 2 leaves plus 2. Again we have the fourth group also 2 leaves. finally here we have the 4. So 4 groups. First we have to count the groups. How many groups are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have written the 4. So first we have to write the 4 groups into the multiplication symbol we used to write with the into. In each group how many are there? 2 are there. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we have done the repeated addition here. So we have repeated the addition of same number. So the same number 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because here all the groups here we have the only 2 flowers, not more than that. So if the different flowers, the different count is there means that is different. Now here not the different. So all are the same. So first group also the same, second group also the same, third group also the same. So all the 4 groups also have the same leaves. That means 2 leaves, 2 leaves, 2 leaves, 2 leaves. Repeated addition, repeating the same number. Repeating of the same number, that is called as multiplication. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 groups are there. 4 into 2. So 4 2s are, how many are there total there are now? 8. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. So finally 8 leaves are there. 4 2s are 8 leaves. So children, so we have started the multiplication means what you have to do? Yes, you have to practice the tables. So all the tables, children, up to 10 tables we have to practice now. So let us, we have started the multiplication means we will begin the tables also. So here we can learn the tables also in this chapter. So children, let us see the some more examples based on this multiplication. So children, here in our textbook, the textbook page number 74. So the textbook page number 74, children, here we have completed the example. So what is the example here with the flowers? For example, we have completed, children. And then the repeated addition. So this we have completed with the leaves. And then here we have a small exercise step, children. So they have given some more examples for us. So if you do this, so then you will get an idea. So how to do the multiplication with the help of repeated addition. So in our textbook here we can see. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So let us see, children. If you see here. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So all the 2's they have given. So how could we write here? So the symbols they have given already and the 2 blanks they have given. So what we have to write now? The 2 numbers we have to write here. So first of all, what we have to do? So we have to count. So we have to count the groups. So first of all we have to count the groups. How many groups are there? So let us count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many groups are there? 6 groups are there. So the first blank here we have to write the 6. And then in each group, how many are there? So the same number here that have been repeated, isn't it? So in each group, how many are there, children? 2. The first group, 2. Second group, 2. Third group, 2. Fourth group, 2. Fifth group, 2. And the sixth group also 2. That means all in each group. So in every group they have given us the 2, 2, 2, 2. So the 6 groups. That means 6 times we have written the 2. So 6 into 6 times into the same number. So what is the same repeated number there? 2. So here we have the 2. So we are writing the 2 here. Yes. 6 into 2. 6 2s are. So 6 table, 6 2s are 12 will get. So that means here the repeated addition answer is 6 2s 12. So 12 we no need to write, children. Just like that only we have to complete this blanks. So the tables will go later. First let us complete this blanks. Now comes to the second one. So here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. So first of all what we have to do is we have to count the groups first. Okay, children, the groups we have to count. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 groups are there. So first of all we have to write the number groups 4. So the first blank here we will write with the groups. 4 groups are there. Now in each group how much is the number? So what is the number in each group? So in each group they have given the 5. So first group 5, second group 5. So all that in each group they have given a 5, 5, 5. So the number has been repeated the same number. What is the repeated number there? 5. So 4 into 5, 4 times the 5. So how many times they have written the 5? 4 times. 4 into 5. So here they have given all the 5. So now the second number we are writing the 5 here. So 4 times the 5. 4 into 5. 4 times 5. Now let us see the another one, that is the third one. Here we can see, children, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So first what we have to do in the first blank? We have to count the groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups are there? 5 groups are there. So first we have to write the 5. 5 groups are there, and in each group how many are there? Every group they have given the 3, 3, 3, 3. So here what is the second number now? So 5 into 3. So 5 times the 3. So they have written the 3 the 5 times. So 5 into 3. So the second number here we can write, children, 3. And now here the last one, another one, 7 plus 7 plus 7. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 groups. So here we will write 3, the first number, 3 groups are there. And in each group, how many are there? In each group they have given the 7, 7, 7. So in each group there are 7, 7. So 3 into 7, 7 times. So 3 times 7. Each group 7, 7 are there. So 3 into 7. And now here we can see the another one, children, 10 plus 10 plus 10. So first count the how many groups will be there. The first we have to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. So here 4 groups are there. So the 4 groups, and how many times we have repeated? 4 times we have repeated. In each group how many are there? 10. So 10, 10, 10, 10. So in every group there are 10. So 4 into 10. That means 4 times the 10. 4 times the 10 we have repeated, children. Now here in our textbook. So children, last one more here we have. So this you can complete, children. You can try on your own. So first count the groups, and then you can write the how many in each group how many are there. So like this you can complete this, children, in your textbook. So hope you understood, children, all of you this. Now in the next page, children, the page number 75, write the following as repeated addition. That means, so this they have given and we have to write in this form. So the repeated addition form we have to write. The multiplication they have given here and we have to write in a repeated addition form. So here in this previous page, repeated addition they have given and we have written in a multiplication form. So like this is a multiplication form because into. Now they have given this here. That means the multiplication form they have given and we have to write the repeated addition for them. Okay, children, let us see with some more examples. Here we have, children, in our textbook. Let us see the. So children, let us see the multiplication. So now they have given in a multiplication form. We have to write the repeated addition. We have to write in a repeated addition. So how could we write here, children? The textbook page number 75. So here they have given a blanks for you. So there you can write in a repeated addition. So how could we write this repeated addition? So 5 into 4. That means how many groups are there? Yes, no need to confuse. So before already here we have done, children. So first number means that is the groups. So how many groups will be there? The first number it will show for us. So here they have given here 5. That means 5 groups are there. So 5 groups are there. Now in each group how many are there? So this how could we know? By by the second number. So in each group there are 4. 4, 4, 4. That means in every group there is a 4. So how many times we have to write the 4? 5 times we have to write, because 5 groups are there. The first number they have given here 5 means the 5 groups. So here we will start with the 4. So we should not write the 5 there. So 4, the second number 4. So that means in each group there are 4, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus, repeatedly we are doing. Okay, how many times we have to repeat? 5 times we have to repeat. 5 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times only we have done. Still 2 more. So 4 plus 4. So this is that. So here we can see how many groups are there? 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into, in each group how many are there? 4. In every group there is 4. So 5 into 4 is equal to like this. This is the repeated addition of 5 into 4. Okay children? Understood? Now let us see the second one. 2 into 3. So the first numbers, all these are the groups. So how many times we have to write, it will donate there. So it will denote the how many times we have to write. So how many times the number should repeat. So 2 means, so 2 times should repeat. Which number should repeat? So the second number. So this, it will show the what number, how many should repeat there. So 2 times, the 3 should repeat for the 2 times. So here we can write children 2. So shall we write the 2 here? No, because this is the group. So this you should not write. So every group 3 is the group. So here we have to write the 3 plus 3. So only for 2 times. So they have given here 2. That means 3 should repeat for 2 times. 2 into 3. So this is called as a repeated addition. Let us see the third one now. So here we can see 3 into 2. 3 into 2. That means the group. How many groups are there? 3. 3 groups are there. The first number they have given 3 means 3 groups are there. Okay. Now the second number they have given 2. That means in every group we have to write the 2, 2, 2. So 2 how many times should repeat? 3 times. So let us begin with the 2 children. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 we have written for the 3 times. So this is called as a 3 into 2. So 3 groups are there. So first we'll write the group 3 into, in every group 2, 2. So 2, 2. So here we have completed children. Now 4 into 1. So the first one they have given here, the first number is 4. That means 4 groups are there. So 4 times we have to write. Okay. So which number we should write for the 4 times? The second number, that is the 1. So 1 should repeat for the 4 times. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this 1 should repeat for the 4 times. So 4 groups, 4 groups. 1. This is the 1 number. So in every group there is only 1, 1, 1. So here we have completed. Now let us see 3 into 9. 3 into 9 means, so how many times? 3 times. So 3 groups. So 3 groups we are there, and each group how many are there? 9, 9 is there. So the second number 9 they have given. So 9 should repeat for 3 times. 9 should repeat for 3 times. So here we can write 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 3 groups into 9. So 3 into 9. So here we have completed children this examples here. So all these examples here we have completed in our textbook. Now the second Roman, the another Roman they have given children with the pictures. They have given the pictures also. First add and then multiply. So here we have to add and then we have to multiply. So hope you understood children, all of you, the multiplication. So here we have the The multiplication they have given and we have written in the repeated addition. Okay children, the repeated addition we have written here. So we hope you understood all of you. This we have completed in our textbook children. So all of you note down carefully. Now here they have second Roman they have given, that is first add and then multiply. Let us see this Roman children with the examples. So children, here we can see the next Roman, that is first add and then multiply. So first of all we have to add and then we have to do the multiplication. That means the repeated addition we have to do and then the multiplication. So both it will come here. So here we can see children in our textbook. So the textbook here they have given pictures for us. So the first Roman, the first pictures they have given here the balls. So here the yellow balls we have, and the second picture here we have the red color cherries. So children, on the blackboard here I have drawn the cherries picture and the balls here. So let us do this children. First we have to add. So how to do the addition? So here how many groups are there? So first of all we have to count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. In each group how many are there? So in each group here we have the 3 balls. So ball picture. So here we have the, in each group there we have the 3 balls. First group 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means so 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So totally how many balls are there here? So first group here we have the 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. Again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many are there children? 12 are there. So first if you add here all these by repeated addition. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to how much here? 12. So here we have the 12. Now multiplication. Comes to the multiplication, easily we can do this. So with the addition also we will get the same answer, while as the multiplication also will get the same answer. Then how? So first we have to, in multiplication how we will write children? So first we have to count the numbers. That means we have to count the groups. So 4 groups are there. 4 into how many? Each group how many? 3 are there. So 3. 4 into 3. That means 4 times the 3. So 4 we have to write the 3, we have to write the 4 times. So 3 we should repeat for the 4 times. So 4 into 3. 4 3s are. So the 4 table will get 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So here also we'll get the answer, same answer. Multiplication also will get the same answer. 4 3s are 12. So repeated addition 12. Multiplication 12. So here the answer here we can write children, 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. So here we have written the 4 times. So the 3 should repeat for the 4 times. So 4 3s are 12. Here we can write the easily answer the 12. Completed. Now let us see with another example children. So addition also will get the same answer. And the multiplication also will get the same answer. Now here we can see children another example, the cherries example. So all here we can see the cherries. So first we have to count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups are there. Each group how many are there? In each group we can find only 2 cherries. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 plus 2. So here we can see children. First 2 children. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So here also we will get the answer 12. Now the 6. So why we have written the 6 here? Groups. So 6 groups are there. So 6 into each group how many are there? 6 twos are 12. The answer also same answer. 6 twos are also 12. So here we can write children 6 twos are 12. So that means we are writing the 2 for 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. So here also the same answer 12. Finally the answer is 12. 6 twos are 12. Repeated addition also will get the same answer 12. Whereas the multiplication also will get the same answer 12. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12 here we have. So easily we got the answer 12. So like this children, remaining the some more 2 examples we will do here now. The remaining 2 you have to complete in your textbooks. Let us see 2 more examples children. So children, let us see with another example here. So here we can see the picture with the leaves. So the picture, here we can see the leaves picture. So first we have to count how many groups are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups are there. In each group, how many leaves are there? 4 leaves are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So every group, here we can see the 4 leaves. 4 groups, 4 leaves. Let us count children. First here we have to add. So the repeated addition we have written now. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So totally how many leaves are there? 16 leaves are there. 4 plus 4 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally how many leaves are there? 16 leaves are there. And then now we'll go for a multiplication. Now multiplication, first we have to write the groups. How many groups are there? 4 groups are there. 4 into each group how many are there? Again 4 are there. So 4. So 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. So multiplication also will get the same answer. 4 4s are 16. Now, so here the 4 times. So 4 we have written for the 4 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. So here we can write children. 4 times the 4 is 16. 4 times 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16. So here we can write the answer 16. Now let us see one more children. So here we can see the another example. So here we can see the stars. Okay. So first we have to count the groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So only 3 groups are there. Each group, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means every group, here we can find the 5 stars. So let us see here children, the repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5. So how much? 5 plus 5, 10 stars. 10 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 stars. So here we can write children 15. So the repeated addition we got the 15. Now what about the multiplication? Let us see now. So here why we have written the 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. Only 3 groups are there. So 3 into, in each group how many are there? 5 are there. So 3 into 5. 3 5s are also 15. 3 5s are 15. So here we can write 3 5s are 15. Repeated addition also same answer. The multiplication also the same answer. So 5 we have written for the 3 times. So 3 times 5 is 15. So here we can write the answer children 15. So in this way here we can write. So hope you understood children. So in our textbook I have given for you the 4 examples. The remaining 2 examples you have to complete in your textbook. You just try the children, very simple. Like this you have to count the pictures. First the repeated addition and then the multiplication. Okay children. So hope you understood children all of you. Thank you.